In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkout page in Lovable AI. To do that, we first need to set up the backend. So make sure to enable your Supabase by clicking onto this cloud icon and enabling the cloud. So click on this right here, and as you can see, this will enable cloud for this project. So once the cloud has been enabled, you can head back right here and you just need to configure the Stripe. You need to get your Stripe API key, especially the secret key and the specific price ID for your products and subscription from your Stripe dashboard. Just need to connect it to Lovable. You can prompt Lovable to add a checkout button. So just add right here this particular prompt, which is add a checkout button and process payments with Stripe, and then input right there the actual Stripe's API to simulate payments after deploying the application. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need about Lovable.